Welcome to Microsoft Excel Trainings. In the tables we created in Excel, it is possible to select the cells of the numbers that do not contain formulas at once. Look at the table we have. There are cells that contain formulas and cells that do not contain formulas. What we need to do to see which cell of this table contains a formula and which cell does not contain a formula is to use the Find and Replace features on the Home tab. When you come to the Find and Replace features here and select the formula's expression, you will see the formulas in your table. Look, all of them are selected at the same time. For example, we can easily thicken it here and change the background color to yellow. Again, we did not change the experience color. I'm coming from here, for example, let's make it yellow and change our text color from white to black. Now, if we want, it is possible to select the cells that do not contain formulas in this table. My purpose is to select the region where the numbers are. To select other cells that do not contain formulas, we have a feature called Constants in the Find and Replace feature on the Home tab again. Here is the go-to control expression. When you select this, you can find the values that are constants in the cells that do not contain formulas in your table. You can easily change the background colors from here, for example, by immediately changing the color in C. There's a beauty in selecting cells that don't contain formulas. For example, if you need to multiply all the values here by 2, that is, if you need to multiply all of these constant cells by 2, you can do it very easily if you know. If you do not know, you need to open a cell on the side and multiply all of them by 2 one by one, and perform operations such as copy and paste the values. Here's what I can do for this. My goal is to multiply all the constant values here by 2. I wrote 2. I say copy the right button on 2 again, and select the entire area where the numbers are. It doesn't matter whether it contains formula or not. I selected the entire region. I select the control attribute of the constants expression from Find and Replace, and we see only the formula in the table when the cross is selected with a constant value. Here we press the right button. Look at the right button on any selected region. Press it and click Test Special Paste. Look, when we select the multiple expression in the window that opens, that is, when you select the multiply expression and press OK here, you will see that all selected values are multiplied by 2. When you press Ctrl-Shift on the one containing an exclamation mark at the top, you will also see that it is separated from the thousands place. In Excel, you see operations such as finding, changing, and coloring constant values in your tables at the same time. You can easily perform this change using both constants and formula expressions.